In this video, I will show you how to create water in Unity. So you have to work with Unity 2022.2. Otherwise, previous version, I don't think you can do it. So I prepared a pool that we will fill later with some water. But first, I will start just with the ocean water. Okay. So for that, to activate the water, you need to go first. So this is a first HDRP scene, very classic, nothing special. You need to go in project settings and activate the water. If you don't do it later, you should have a error message from Unity telling you to turn it on. So there are two things. You go in project setting, you go in HDRP global settings, and in camera rendering, you have somewhere water. Okay, so it's here. Okay, there is a second thing to do. You have to go in the HDRP parameter, and here you have water here, you see. So in rendering again, water, and you have to activate it. So now that it's activated, you will be able to create your ocean or your pool. Why we need to do that? Because you know, this real-time software, they need to optimize. So they will turn on, or you will turn on only what is necessary. Then their rendering should be faster and it will use less memory. Okay. So if you know you don't use water, better to turn that off. Okay. Okay. So now we can create the ocean water, and it's pretty easy. You just need to click right here. You go in water surface and you have ocean, sea or lake. When you create it, okay, it's not visible yet. So now, if I'm correct, I need to go to sky and fog. So in this sky and fog volume, where you see your environment like the sky, the clouds, you need to add a new layer, a new element. So you will write water and water rendering. Okay, so here you activate it, you enable it, and you have your water. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. Okay, and you have your ocean. So you can go in the parameter of this ocean and change many parameters, like how big are the waves, the ripples, do you have foam, that I let you explore. You can also change the color. So for example, imagine, yeah, I want something a bit brighter or a bit more blue. Okay, so yeah, I will undo that, go back to the classic one. So that's all. And when you play, it should be real time if your PC is not a too old PC. Okay, so you see, and of course you have the reflection of the sky. So for example, if I decide to take the sun, move the sun, do a rotation of this sun, yeah, we will see the sun in the water, so it could be pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, so it's very realistic. Okay. So if I go under, there is nothing. Okay, because this one for ocean, you will never go underwater. Okay. So now I will turn off this ocean, and what I did, so I will go back to more normal lighting. So I will turn the sun, yeah, like that. And now I prepared the pool. Okay, so we have just this 4 different wall and the ground. And now I'm going to create a new water surface. It will be pool. Okay, you see, so of course I place the pool at the good position. So here you have a nice effect, and you see that if I move the bottom of the pool, okay, so this is, where is it? Pool bottom, huh? This is this one. This is just a surface. And if I put it deeper, of course it will change the color of my water, like in a real pool. Okay, you can go under water and you will have this nice caustic effect. If I create an object, Oops. And I move this object here. You will see the caustic effect on this object. So any object in your scene will receive the same caustic effect. Okay, and you have also with the distance the kind of fog you will not see with a strong visibility. So I believe I didn't test yet, but here you can certainly adjust this visibility underwater. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty simple, and of course this is very realistic and real time. Thank you.